Hey, welcome to my new video. In today's video, we are going to look at WPX Hosting Review. Is your website slow or driving visitor away? Tired of waiting for your page to load or looking for the fastest web hosting to host your next website? What if I told you there is a hosting service that is super fast, reliable, and comes with premium support without breaking the bank? Mint WPX Hosting, one of the fastest and most customer-friendly hosting provider on the market today. So why speed matter? Study shows that 58% of visitors leave a site if they take more than 3 seconds to load. And WPX Hosting solves this with its high-speed servers, light-speed caching, and free CDN, making sure your website loads in a flash. So let's take a look at some of the features of WPX hosting provider. The first one is premium speed. The WPX hosting comes with the fastest loading time. So if you migrate your site to the WPX, then the speed of your website and the loading time of your website will increase and improve the user experience. And with the loading time increase, then your website will have a higher conversion rate, a better user experience, better SaaS rankings, and also more. So what makes a WPX the fastest hosting? The WPX has 3 data center locations, 40 plus SDN points worldwide, free speed optimization, and ultra fast servers. So the next feature is free migration. So if you are ready to migrate your site to WPX, then they have an expert who can help you to migrate all your website to WPX hosting without paying a dime. So within 24 hours, then you will get your website migrated to the WPX hosting. Then the third one is 24/7 expert support. In case you want to reach to their support, then take 3 seconds to respond to your question or your query. Then the next one is free daily backup. So WPX has a plugin that automatically backs up your website every day. So in case there's challenges, in case there's a mix-up, in case your website breaks, then you can quickly restore it back within a second. Then the next one is DDoS Protection and malware remover. So you don't need the extra plugin, extra tools for you to protect your website or to remove malware in case your site is affected. So WPX takes security a top priority. Then the next one is hosting multiple websites. So it is perfect for bloggers and entrepreneurs. So if you want to use WPX hosting, then you can upgrade. You can host as many as possible websites. So it has 3 plans. Then the first one which is lowest plan, can host up to 5 websites. So let's look at their pricing and the value. Now let's look at the pricing. WPX is not a cheaper hosting, but it offers premium speed and services at a fraction of what other high-end hosting provider charges. So let's look at the price now. So here is the WPX pricing page. As you can see here, they have 3 pricing plans: business, professional, and elite. The business costs $23.45 per month, where you can host up to 5 websites. Then the professional costs $41.58 per month, where you can host up to 15 websites, and the elite plan costs $3.25 per month, where you can host up to 35 websites. So if you're a beginner, you can start with a business plan which just costs you $25.8 per month, which has enough space for you to host your website. And in the future, when your website is getting high traffic, then you can migrate to the professional. It just take a few minutes to do that. So to get access to start with a WPX hosting, then don't forget to click the link below this video and access to this page and click start now. So if you want to boost your website speed, improve your ranking, and get world-class support, then WPX hosting is the way to go. So, and if you have used WPX hosting before, then don't forget to let me know in the comment section and share your experience. So don't forget, click the link below this video to get access to this page and click start now to join WPX web hosting, one of the fastest WordPress hosting, to host your plugin and get access to all the premium plugins without paying for any one of these or without using any third-party software. Thank you for watching.